A sphere of mass 25 kg is moving at a speed of 1.5 ms undergoes collision with another sphere of mass 50 kg moving at 3 ms in the same direction. Find the loss of kinetic energy when the collision is inelastic. A 18.75 nm. B 19.75 nm. C 17.75 nm. D 16.75 nm. The correct answer is 18.75 nm. Maximum couple during pitching is given by angular velocity of rotor max maximum angular velocity of precession. A max I max 2. B max I2. C max I max. D max I2 max. The correct answer is max I max. The gyroscope couple does not cause an effect on a naval ship during which of these motions? A pitching. B steering. C rolling. D lifting. The correct answer is lifting. Which of the following is known as the axis of precession? A latitudinal axis. B longitudinal axis. C reverse axis. D axis of spin. The correct answer is longitudinal axis. Which of the following would change during rolling of a naval ship? A angular velocity of precession. B angular acceleration of precession. C angular velocity of spin. D no change occurs. The correct answer is no change occurs. What will be the effect of a gyroscopic couple if the axis of precession and axis of spin become parallel? A no effect. B pitching. C steering effect. D no motion. The correct answer is no effect. If the movement of the ship were to occur about a vertical plane about a parallel axis, then which of the following factors will be affected while pitching? A upward pitch. B downward pitch. C pitching will not occur. D change in angular velocity of rotor. The correct answer is pitching will not occur. During downward pitching, gyroscopic couple will tend to move the ship towards A starboard. B port side. C ship movement is unaffected by upward pitching. D right side. The correct answer is port side. The pitching of the ship is assumed to take place with which of the following motion? A constant acceleration. B simple harmonic motion. C cycloidal. D uniform velocity. The correct answer is simple harmonic motion. During upward pitching, gyroscopic couple will tend to move the ship towards A starboard. B port side. C ship movement is unaffected by upward pitching. D left side. The correct answer is starboard. Which of the following represent the maximum angular acceleration? A max 12. B max 212. C max 12. D max 122. The correct answer is max 12. Rolling is the turning of a complete ship in a curve towards left or right while it moves forward. A true. B false. C. D. The correct answer is false. The axis of precession is parallel to axis of spin during rolling for only a selected few positions. A false. B true. C. D. The correct answer is false. Pitching is the movement of a ship up and down in a vertical plane about transverse axis. A true. B false. C. D. The correct answer is true. The coefficient of restitution is 0 for a completely inelastic collision. A true. B false. C. D. The correct answer is true.